Welcome to the edge of invisibility. Today, Apex Process presents To achieve 100% transparency, we use optical-grade polymers and a proprietary degassing process.
Inside the ghost, we build a nervous system of light, artistic circuitry that will glow from within.
The pouring must be perfect. Any turbulence creates streaks that ruin the ghost effect.
Under high pressure, the silicone molecules align, turning the liquid into solid glass-like art.
The reveal. Witness the transition from liquid to a solid state of invisibility.
At Apex, even the seams are invisible. We use laser polishing technology for a flawless finish.
Every wire, every chip is placed by hand. A fusion of electronic engineering and fine art.
Power on. The ghost comes to life. Controlled by our proprietary app, the ghost can adapt to any atmosphere, any mood.
Designed for luxury boutiques, it makes the clothing appear as if it's floating in mid-air.
From our lab to the world's most exclusive windows.
Apex process. Master the art of the invisible.